Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Exciting news for all foldable phone enthusiasts. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to launch later this year, and it comes with some major camera upgrades. If you're into cutting-edge smartphone technology, this one is going to grab your attention. Let's dive into all the exciting details. Massive camera upgrades. According to our friends at Galaxy Club, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 will feature a big leap in camera technology. Here's what you can expect. 200MP main camera. The same ultra-powerful sensor from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. 12MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing more in a single shot. 10MP telephoto lens, offers impressive zoom capabilities. 10MP cover screen selfie camera, ideal for quick and sharp selfies. Improved under-display camera. The quality is expected to be better than before, though the exact resolution is unconfirmed. For comparison, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 came with a 50 megapixels main camera, which has been the standard for foldable Samsung devices since the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This massive jump to 200 megapixels is a game-changer, making it the most significant camera upgrade in the Fold series. However, there was an exception. The Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, launched in China and Korea, already had a 200 megapixel sensor, but it didn't include Samsung's under-display camera, UDC, tech. With the Z Fold 7, Samsung is bringing that power to a global audience while improving the under-display camera. Samsung is likely to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 this summer, probably in July, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 7. There are also rumors that Samsung is working on a tri-foldable phone, possibly launching in 2025. While the Z Fold 6 introduced a fresh design with some hardware refinements, it still had a few persistent issues. Mediocre battery life, narrow cover screen. Now, Samsung might finally solve the crease problem. At MWC 2025, Samsung Display showcased a new foldable screen with no visible crease, and there's a strong possibility that this technology will be used in the Z Fold 7. Even though Samsung Display operates separately from the Samsung Mobile division, they usually supply screens for their foldable phones. If this new creaseless panel makes it to the Z Fold 7, it will help Samsung compete better against Chinese brands like Oppo and Honor, which have already introduced foldables with fewer creases and slimmer designs. New dimensions and slimmer build. Another exciting detail is that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be much thinner than its predecessors. Here are the rumored dimensions. 9.5mm thickness when folded, including the camera bump. 4.5mm thickness when unfolded, making it one of the slimmest foldables ever. 8.2-inch inner display. 6.5-inch cover screen. That's the largest foldable screen in its category, at least for now. The new dimensions might also indicate a new aspect ratio, though Samsung hasn't confirmed the exact screen resolution yet. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is expected to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite for Galaxy, the same flagship processor found in the Galaxy S25 series. While the battery might stay the same, the camera and display improvements could make this the most refined Galaxy Fold yet. But here's the catch. Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the use of the new crease-free display. So, we'll have to wait for the official announcement to see if they bring this groundbreaking change to the Fold lineup. With a thinner design, larger displays, and massive camera upgrades, Samsung is clearly addressing the biggest demands of foldable phone users. If all these rumored features make it into the final product, the Z Fold 7 could be one of Samsung's most impressive foldables yet. But what do you think? Are you excited about the Z Fold 7? Do you think it can compete with foldables from Oppo, Honor, and Xiaomi? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.